And at the foundation, Actifio was designed to manage data the most efficient way possible in the industry. The way data is copied, stored, moved, and is stored with Actifio's virtual data pipeline makes it the only solution that can protect, restore, migrate big data instantly, overcoming the limitations of time that have become a big barrier on how big data is managed.
Because of this large data set, we have a need to come up with a backup and disaster recovery solution which is able to tease apart what really is important from what isn't. And this separating the wheat from the chaff problem is one of the reasons that we decided to partner with Actifio and architect a solution for this space that we feel really doesn't exist at the moment.
I think one of the things that makes Actifio very interesting from a personal perspective is the disruptive nature of what we're bringing to market.
We are really onto a huge problem, not been solved by anybody, and you're taking something that takes a customer anywhere from 6 to 12 different products, millions of dollars of storage and infrastructure to kind of support the problem, and we're doing it with one product that's tying back to their applications. So customers love it.
So ideally, we want to bring in something that's going to just fit like a glove into our business and not materially and adversely impact our lives. When I think of Actifio, I think of set it and forget it. You put the solution in, you set the SLAs, you monitor them, but you don't have to babysit them. They just work.
So from a customer perspective, what we strive for is to be the best that we can in the areas that we want to dominate or we want to be great at. With Actifio, because we completely changed the architecture and the cost point of the ability to deploy a fully redundant, disaster recovered business continuity solution, I believe our customers will be able to protect a much higher percentage of their application given the same budget, the same resources they have.
So what we looked at was, value for our money, dependability, reliability, ease of use, and a company we can depend on, and we found that in Actifio.